give us small experience of whatever it has. So Mr. Prakash, you can unmute yourself within just a small. You can. So how was the experience? You are muted, Mr. Prakash. I think you are muted and now out of the video as well. So, okay. Yes, please. So, how was the experience?
Really, very good evening.
Yeah.
And the experience which I just experienced myself with a very divine flow of energy. Whatever the words you just spoke through your mouth, just I feel that all words and realize the divine energy which flows from the top of my head to the bottom of my completely body to the feet, and my all organs are really they energized, just rejuvenate, and I feel so happy. It's really amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So, great. So, thank you so much. Vishal, how was your experience?
Thank you so much for the wonderful experience. It was very light. I feel light body, lightweight, and all the brightness in a body. The whole body was lighted. So it was a wonderful experience. And आपने जो कहा था वो who runs you. So I feel energy है जो अंदर वो कुछ करवाती है हमसे. ऐसा फील कर रहा था कि कोई एनर्जी है जो आपने बताया था कि जो आपसे वो काम करवा रही है, कुछ ना कुछ करवा रही है. तो आई फेल्ट दैट कि वो एनर्जी है.
Okay, great. So, do you feel, what about your stress? कुछ या जो भी आपको क्या फील हुआ उन टर्म्स में, कुछ बेटर फील हुआ? Yeah, like do you feel really great?
Yes, I feel better.
Okay, great.
Better.
So I think it is just a very small process which I did, and I will when we do, I think as compared to, as I shared, lot of big half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour meditations, and still if you cannot get that feel what you can get here in just 1 or 2 to 3 to 4 minutes, I think, isn't it easy whatever I mentioned with you? A zero cost, zero time, zero effort, 0 second and zero effort. And I will teach you, there will be a point of time where you don't even need to sit like this. You can do it even while I'm talking to you right now. And even while doing your work, anywhere, anytime, whenever you want, you will be able to create this forever endless energy. And not only change your health, but change your whole life, your business, your career, your relationships. You will be oozing out of energy. Every cell of your body will be oozing out of energy. Okay, so great. So thank you. So I think all the others just share it, because this will actually create the real confidence in you to be able to do it. That is why I want you to share. So please share it for yourself, because I know what it will work like, but it's for your belief and your empowerment that you need to share it, because whatever you share, whatever you do will actually come 10 times more, 1,000 times more from the universe. Whatever you say, if you give, if you help somebody once, you will get 1,000 helps from the universe. So please, starting with Miss Ruchika, please share your thoughts so we can just finish it off. Everybody just share a little bit of experience, whatever, good, bad, okay, it could be anything.
Yeah, today it was a good experience. Like I couldn't feel the cosmic light going through me, but then it was calming, very calming. And today actually I'm busy. Tomorrow I'll be more, relaxed. Probably I'll enjoy better. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much. Okay. So I think on this note, I think Nana, what about you? I think we are whomsoever, please do it for yourself, because it will really boost something inside you. Whatever your words are there, it will actually happen in reality. I think you guys, some of you who are there, would be knowing about it. Yeah, Nana. So if you could share your experience.
Actually, I am speechless right now.
Sorry. Acha.
I'm
You can just
speechless.
come on. You can just come on the video, because I think that will help you. That will give you a real confidence and empowerment in whatever you do. Yeah. Because I think, let me tell you guys, I think I don't want to disclose the story, but she is really, really suffering. She lost her mother a year back, and she's really into a very, very, very big time fear and anxiety. Already they have their family, genetic something related to that, which her mother also had. And she was really, really so much negative. And I just told her that you just come to this session and just don't think of anything. Don't even think of registering, just come to us. And yeah, please share your experience. Was I able to at least 1% help you?
I am having a lot of thoughts. So yeah, some change was there.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. I think even from that level, I think that is what I wanted to share with you. It is just the first time you see, without any knowledge, without anything, you just did. So you don't even have the basic knowledge right now, which I will be covering in later on. Why are you doing this? What is it all about? So once you become a practice, you practice it daily. You have that knowledge, the real complete knowledge. You become an expert into that. Then it will be like a cream. Like as I'm talking to you right now, I can do that. It is so easy. So even while driving a car, I can do it whenever I want energy. I am out of energy. I don't need anything. I just use this energy, and I have driven from the airport to 30 kilometers till my home at night, 12 o'clock. When there was a crime also happening that time, a lot of people told. But I just believed in the positive thing. And as I shared, it's all just, if somebody is up there with you, if the Almighty is with you, who can do harm to you? Okay. So it is just that. Okay, so great, Nana. I think you felt better. That is in itself. After being from so negativity, even this thing is a great thing, even a great achievement. So, do you really feel that this is something which we can really help you out in future as well?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll work it out. Okay. So thank you. What about Mr. Chandu? I think we are just asking you to share. You can just come on the videos and please do it quickly. I think whatever you can do, whatever you just wanted to share. It could be good, bad, or okay. Anything. Yeah, Mr. Chandu, are you there? Acha, I think, I'm sorry. I think he's COVID hit. Okay, I'm sorry. So Mr. Chandu has shared that, to my experience in the current situation, it was just like getting energy support from the unknown. Just know how we physically get support of oxygen to a COVID patient. Wow. Cool. That is coming from somebody who is suffering from COVID right now. He is attending our session. So that is in itself, even Miss Vidima, she is also COVID hit. So Mr. Chandu shared how you got energy and from where you got energy, from how to access it. And this is how he has said that great to get connected to the super soul all the time. Okay. So finally, I think Miss Ridhima, if you would like to share anything, and before we just finish off. Yeah. If you can come and share your experience. It is for you guys, as I am sharing. It will give you a conviction. So if you could come on video, and I think whatever you experienced, if you could just share.
I think my phone battery is pretty low, so I'll go
okay,
with
no issues.
without the video. Yeah, it was a very enlightening session, Gaurav, and
Okay.
I'm taking back a lot of positivity and a positive thinking with the same. So I'm going to apply all this in my regular day-to-day life, and let's see how it comes.
So right now, I think you were not able to do this last part of the thing, no? 5 to 10 minutes, whatever we did.
Yeah, actually, my daughter kept calling me again and again. So
okay, that is why I think somehow I I was actually understanding the way you talk because I know what experience is gonna come. Okay, but no issues. You missed it, but I think it was really great. But no issues. It's all right. I
Yeah,
think.
Ashwarya is also in the session, so I informed him that I'm logging on.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Calling me.
So Aishwarya, I
Has
think you can
taken
give a thank you, Mr. Yeah, Aishwarya, I think it would be great to hear you out, buddy. So Mr. Vishal is saying, please, Mr. Vishala Diya, you can leave out. And Mr. Aishwarya, you can just share if you could do with this today at least. So are you there, Aishwarya? So anybody who wants to share their experience about it for increasing their conviction, please share it if you want. So it's your call. Anybody who wants to come up, please share it, and otherwise we are done with this session. So I think people are busy. Mr. Sarath, you want to share something? Mr. Sarath or Mr. Aishwarya, I think you guys are left only. If you could share your experiences. Okay, so I think it's all right, guys. Then I take your leave. And please do share your feedback about the session as well, where the link which I would be sharing to you guys, so that I understand exactly what can I do better. And in the terms, first of all, you can just share how did you find it, and we can so that I really know and understand how much value are you getting out of it. So thank you so much, guys, for taking this maybe I will say action, not I will use the word action, but so I think Mr. Chandu is asking for the assignment. So assignment is this, that you have to, I will share it in the WhatsApp group, top 3 life concerns of your life right now. Okay. Top 3 fears that you have related to anything. It could be related to it. So top 3 fears of your life you need to write. Okay. And you need to I will share it in the WhatsApp group. What I wanted to share with you is, guys, whenever you wake up tomorrow morning, okay, just feel this white point of light falling on you, the way we did today. Just feel it whenever you wake up, and you can do it whenever you sleep in the night. Okay, I can just write down and just share your experiences also. Okay, good night, guys.
Gaurav,
And
I would like to connect to you personally after this session because there's something that I need to discuss with you.
okay, Nana, is it you know?
No,
Or
Ridhima.
okay, okay, sure. Please. I think you can just text me up. Maybe I'll be a bit busy right now, and I will just get back to you.
Yeah,
Maybe on WhatsApp, or I can. Okay.
Sure, no
Good
problem. I
night,
think you can get
guys.
in touch anytime you want.
Sure. Okay. Good night, guys. Thank you so much. And just next 4 days gonna be something which you have actually never thought. So please do make it daily and don't miss out, because this could be something which can change your life forever. Okay. So thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Good night. Have a great day. And please do share your feedbacks as well as the assignment on 2 different links, what I will be sharing in the WhatsApp. Okay. According. Thank you so much.